Hello! We are at the Skagit County. So, Skagit County for the tulip. To check out the tulips. However, it's not the perfect weather. It's raining. So, I'll show you around here. We're here, first time. It's called the Tulip Festival, but not all tulips are awake yet. So, ooh, look, first time. What is this? That's how it is right now. These are so pretty too. Wow, it's like different shades of purple. This is pink. That's really dark purple right there. I don't know what color is that. There's lilac, there's pink. Oh my god, these are like my shades. And the thing is, it smells really good. I like the smell. Yeah.
First.
That one, like the light pink, dark pink, I don't know, purple, deep purple. Yeah, it's cold. And then look at this. Sorry, I'm not showing a middle finger, but I'm just showing my middle finger.
I don't know where is the rice field. I mean, not rice field, but the field full of tulips. Just kidding. I know. I wanna see the field with the full of tulips. Can we go? So this is my lighthouse, guys. This is the lighthouse that light my house.
Your umbrella is very stylish, you know. Alright.
So this is the tulip.com. Oh, this house right there.
Hey guys, I'm inviting you. Go in. Oh shit.
Oh, it has a warmer here. No, I'm just kidding.
Hi.
Yeah, snap it.
It's freezing cold in here. Woohoo! Howdy.
Well, we're still here and it's really raining and very cold. And I got my hot chocolate mocha over here. Even though it's raining and it's overcast and it's just cold, but the view is still wonderful. Wonderful. How much more when it's sunny and the tulips are awake and all the colors are surrounding this area. It'd be very beautiful. Thank you for joining us today. Okay, hi. Ooh, this is the one I was talking about. Sorry. We are heading to Deception Pass right now, and that is the. Look at that. Can you go a little bit slower, please?
This right here?
Rosario Road. Be very careful because you're going so fast, and you know you're gonna do a turn.
It's matangkad.
Tall.
Yeah, see? I know, man. I knew it. Matangkad.
Okay. No slower.
Matangkad the tree.
We're gonna come up to the
What?
Deception Pass.
What? Wow, man.
Isn't it pretty?
Deception Pass.
Isn't it pretty?
Right there.
Oh shit,
Mine.
See, right now you guys no more service because
We're in Kennedy.
in KDD, yeah.
What? That we are in where?
Canada, like close to Canada.
Oh, okay.
No more signal.
So, hi! My phone is now Rogers. Rogers like my dad. Roger.
Moto.
La 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 la! We're here at Deception Pass, so.
Deception?
Deception? Or deception? So, this is our first time in this area. It's called Deception Pass. Oh, you're the one. Thanks, neighbor. She's taking care of our parking. Pay here. Free days. Oh, there's free days. Washington State Park. That's 2015. Wow, look at that. I can show you guys. That's the bridge right there on that side. Okay, we're at the bridge right now. We're walking in the bridge. Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. I feel like I have vertigo. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Why do I feel like the cars are like blowing me away?
This is so scary.
It's so scary, you know, because the cars are passing by and then the bridge, I feel like it's moving. And it's cold. Look at my hair. Oh my god, I survived. We survived the bridge.
That was like insane. Like,
I know.
Like you're gonna die.
Like, you know, when you're crossing, like the bridge is moving and the bridge is moving, and then because it's raining, the how do you call that?
The momentum.
The water, and it's cold, and it's, oh my god, I cannot. So we're just letting you know that we're alive. So we made it. Okay, so now going down the stairs.
Careful, because it's slippery when wet.
Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so this is our we're under the Deception Bridge. Oh my gosh, I can't. It's too cold out here. It's such a very scenic view, and I can't focus because my hands are shaking. Alright, so that's what it is right now over there.
Most people nowadays say, I have no time. Of course you don't. Because you are not aware of the present. You know, the present is represented on your watch by a hairline that is as thin as possible, as is consistent with visibility. And so everybody thinks the present is instead of...
Hard to imagine Deception Pass without the bridge, but until 1935, the gap between Fidalgo Island and Whidbey Island could only be crossed by boat. In 1924, a small ferry called the Deception Pass began, running between Ukeko Point and Haipus Point. It was owned and operated by Berthe Olsen, the first female ferry captain in the state of Washington. Service was, by most accounts, infrequent, and the route was often cancelled due to turbulent water conditions. Patrons summoned the ferry by hitting an old saw with a mallet. Fares were 50 cents for a car and driver and 75 cents for larger vehicles. Though she was barely 5 feet tall, Olsen was known as a force to be reckoned with. For years, she fought to prevent the construction of the bridge, even persuading the governor to veto a bill funding the project that had passed the state legislature anonymously. The ferry went out of service shortly after the bridge was completed.